Just about everyone in the construction industry uses multiple digital tools every single day. With so many digital tools available, it's easy to get analysis paralysis when trying to decide which ones to adopt for your business. Apps and platforms run on a mix of predictive algorithms backed by enormous datasets, ready-made templates, and real-time updates to provide end users for jobs that are difficult, tedious, or unviable otherwise. Companies that offer digital tools also collect data from customer usage and feedback to adjust and update their services. Successful management requires accurate and precise measures of performance. In the information age, data is priceless. Programs like Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel can record and analyze raw data. This allows business owners to evaluate progress of development, check off tasks, and compare sales, revenue, profits, and costs at different timescales. Digital tools in the construction sector run the gambit, from apps like HazardCo to various mechatronic equipment. HazardCo helps workforces to keep on top of health and safety by alerting workers to hazards specific to a job site and fast-tracking inspections and sign-ins. Digital calipers are identical to standard mechanical calipers, except that they have LED displays to read out measurements, so that operators needn't squint at gauges or scale bars or perform arithmetic when converting between metric and imperial units of measurement. Other tools, like laser tape measures and rangefinders, likewise have digital displays, which are quicker and easier to read as compared to traditional tape measures. Drones are handy for surveying, videography, and transportation tasks, and have become dramatically popular in recent years, while personal mobile cell phones are now standard across the globe and have endowed us with pseudo-telepathic powers of communication. The internet is in of itself a digital tool that contains multitudes, the largest known library of knowledge in existence. Even something as simple as weather alerts can prove valuable for predicting conditions relevant to on-site health and safety as well as operations. More futuristic digital tools currently in development include powered exoskeletons, self-driving vehicles, autonomous robots, and self-learning AI. It's difficult to predict which of these will take off. Business owners should be aware of the range of free marketing tools available. Creating and maintaining social media pages, accounts, and channels, for example, is increasingly valuable for marketing and branding your products or services. Learning to use Google Analytics and other free apps that come with a Gmail account, like Docs, Sheets, and Calendar, as well as registering your company with a Google business profile, will ensure your company can be found through the search engine and on Google Maps. Not using these will limit your company's potential for growth. However, less is often more when it comes to digital tools. Don't adopt a new one unless it adds meaningful functionality to your business, even if it is free to use. You can just about guarantee some degree of overlap within your business's digital tool set. Video calls can be done through Google Chat, Facebook Messenger, or Zoom, for instance, but try to be consistent and choose one tool for a specific function if you can. This will help save staff valuable time and stress and cause less of a dent in your budget. Digital tools can have an expiry date. While some, like the Google search engine, currently have a monopoly in their particular niche, others, like Microsoft Office, face stiff competition and are being supplanted. Keeping up with the trends will help support your brand as well as your day-to-day operations. Newer is not always better, but in a world of digital revolution, the best tool is seldom old. To find apps popular in the construction sector, visit the websites therighttool.co.nz and digitalconstructionskills.com, or try Googling for apps with the key features you desire. To learn more about what's happening in the industry today, check out our Construction Real World Stories.